Ah, yes, the old windshield washer fluid light. Some people like it, some people hate it. I always liked it. Mine never worked and it always bothered me. So today I'm going to do a very quick video to show you what that switch looks like and how I fixed it. Let's roll. All right, so here's the switch. Has a little like styrofoam thingy here at the bottom. So when it has a certain level of fluid, it'll be higher. And then once it's empty, it'll fall to the bottom, then triggering some sort of mechanism within this little switch right here. And I know you can't see it, but these are the prongs that were sticking out of it, and there's a plug that attaches to it. I'm assuming it's some kind of little mercury switch or something. So inside here, and I know you can't see it, there's a little round magnet. So when the reservoir is empty, it breaks that connector and it sends the 12 signals through both sides of the prong, and that's what illuminates your your light on your dashboard. When it's full, it breaks the connection, doesn't allow the 12 volts to go through, and I guess it kind of grounds it. But there's a magnet piece inside. I could do this real fast here for you. We'll do it live. There's the magnet right there. So I broke mine apart to see what was going on, and it really irritated me that it didn't work. I know some people don't like that light on the dash. I really liked it. My 99 XJ has a light on, and you know, I'll tell you, every time I see that on, I'm like, oh, reminds me I have to fill up the washer fluid bottle. With this, I had no idea, but gosh, now, I'll know. And this, you can kind of see it's a little bit of a different. I think this is out of a later model. It's definitely before 97. This was out of my 92, and I think the eBay auction, I think this came out of like a 94, but it's the same prongs, right? And it has the same, you can kind of see, it's a little bit longer, so I'll probably have to trim this a little bit, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, check that out. Let's go fit this on a Jeep. I'm excited. All right, so here we are at the reservoir bottle. So just kind of plug this in here real fast, and then we'll do a test. All right, so we're going to pretend like this is empty. So we'll put this all the way out to the end. All right, and we'll go to the dash. Doing this in real time here, folks. Low wash. I'll move it back here. We'll pretend it's full. Just kind of rig that there. Okay. No dash light. There you go. So folks, that's the mystery of the windshield washer fluid, low fluid light. Just going ahead and go to the junkyard, check eBay, and go on ahead and get yourself another one out of the yard. Unfortunately, sometimes, man, there's just too many Jeeps in the salvage yard. You wish you can save them all, but you can take them and get other pieces from them and save them one piece at a time. I can't do this one-handed, but anyway. That's it, super easy. I think the auction, I think I got this for like 30 bucks. So I got a new bottle with it and a new top that has blue text. I'm gonna swap that out. But yeah, now every time the fluid level is low, the dash light will go on and it'll be working. So hey everybody, take care of yourselves, take care of your Jeeps, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.